and welcome to Cooking It Up with Thomas Haley. Instead of French toast today, what we're going to do is pizza. Our family favorite French toast, which is chocolate peanut butter cup. Oh, hi there, and welcome to Cooking It Up with Thomas Haley. Today, I am super excited. A really good friend of mine, Benjamin Miller. He is an actor, a producer, a businessman. He is all the way here on our show, and we're really, really excited for him to be here. Welcome, Ben.
Hey, how are you, Tom?
Good,
to
good,
see you,
man.
man.
Good. So what have you been up to? You're a busy guy.
Yeah, well, try to stay busy. We've got 2 new films coming out, one of which you were in.
Right, and thank you for that. For today, for your arrival, I appreciate you being here.
Yeah.
And we are going to make you some amazing California street tacos.
All right.
All right, you like beef, right?
I do.
Right. Okay. So the way that I make them.
Okay.
All right. I use a hot plate. I use flour tortillas. All right, and I put them in the hot plate, and I'm going to heat those up. Now, once they get warm enough, let's put a couple in here, right? When they get warm enough to the touch, you know, we're just trying to soften them up a little bit, all right? And then we're gonna just flip them over. Doesn't take very long. These things get really hot. I'm gonna put that onto, just put a couple of those on the plate. And then we made this beef, and this tri-tip, this is tri-tip beef. We made this last night in the crock pot.
Right.
5 pounds of this, seasoned it, put it in the crock pot. It was in there for 6 hours.
6 hours.
Yeah.
All right.
So this is actually going to be amazing. I can't wait to taste this. But let's get you a nice little bit here, and a nice little bit here. And you know, we're doing this special because you heard about some of the things I cook here.
This seems quick and easy.
This is
Just
going
a hot
to be
plate and then the crock pot, huh?
hot plate, crock pot, and then we're just going to put, California street tacos are pretty simple. They are onions over the top of that, and then a little bit of cilantro. And I like tomatoes. You like tomatoes?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. Well, we'll put a little bit of tomatoes in there.
I love onions because they have a little bit of spice to them.
Ah, you like spicy.
Mm-hmm.
All right, I got a surprise for you. Okay. And then we're going to put a little bit of maybe some of your favorite homemade salsa there.
All right.
Okay. And that is about all it takes to make street tacos, because we've got the meat and we've got the tortillas. We'll just put meat and tortillas together.
Fantastic.
Right? And then we're going to garnish that, and we're gonna put some fixins on there, and that's going to make it even better, right?
It's great if you get hungry, then you can just keep making more.
That is why we brought all these tortillas from home. Okay, so what I like to do before I go ahead and let you try this is I like to go ahead and garnish the plate and make it look all fancy, right? And I'm gonna put a little bit of guacamole. You like guacamole?
Yeah, it's excellent stuff.
And
Popular out here in California.
yeah.
Seems like it's in every dish.
Well, it is. And especially on this show. And a little bit of sour cream. We'll put that on the side there. Sprinkle a little bit of cheese. I mean, we're just going to make this look as fancy as we can. And then, now this, I'm just going to tell you right now, this, you're going to be really excited about this. Okay. So you like spice, so I went
You got some hot sauce or something?
No, I went and I got you a really nice jalapeno.
Jalapeno, okay.
Yeah. That's as hot as they get.
You got anything hotter back there?
This isn't hot enough? All right, well, I do actually. I do. I have, now I want you to be careful because I have a habanero.
Good for a kid's birthday party or something, yeah.
Are you kidding me? This right here, habanero. This is the hottest thing on the West Coast.
I think there's something else that's a little hotter.
There's,
Look what I brought with me. This is the Boot Jolica,
what is that?
the ghost pepper.
The ghost pepper.
Yes.
Okay, they're called the ghost pepper because people don't eat those.
Well, some people do. And I'm going to.
You're not gonna eat that.
I am.
You're not. You're gonna eat that pepper. Okay, now at home, I'm gonna say right now at home, nobody at home go and eat this pepper, okay? Because this is insane. And I'm gonna step back and let you have as much of that pepper as you want.
All right, cheers. Really a lot of flavor. Very unique. Excellent.
Excellent.
Yeah, really good.
What about my tacos?
Really hits you instantly.
Okay, well,
You start to sweat. All right, wow.
and your breath is hopping. I
Yeah.
mean, it is really no. Don't do that. Don't do that. And you're starting to sweat a little bit.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Just I mean, it's so
You can really feel it. You feel it in your ears.
really.
Goes through your whole body. Yeah, it's intense, but it's really delicious. It's really a unique taste.
Okay. Well, that I've still got the habanero. If you want to chaser.
I think I'm okay.
Yeah. All right. Well, we're gonna go ahead and thank you so much for tuning in to Cooking It Up with Thomas Haley. Thank you, Ben,
Thanks,
for
man.
coming by. I really appreciate it.
All right.
And you're looking like you're really enjoying that
Yeah.
pepper. So we're gonna go now. All right. And do not try this at home. And he is a trained professional. All right. Hi, this is Thomas Haley from Cooking It Up with Thomas Haley. And we'd just like to say thank you so much to Jason over at Bohica Pepper Hut for supplying us with scorpions, reapers, and the infamous ghost pepper. We did check on Ben, and he's doing okay. It's a little bit spicy, but he's a big man. He's got this covered. Thank you so much. If you want to look out for them, they're online at bohicapepperhut.com. Thank you.